the students of standard 10. Now we will study about application of trigonometry. Application of trigonometry. Number 1, line of vision. You see this figure here at first point here A is given and here is point B. If observer is standing at point A and looking at point B, then this line is called line of vision. If the observer is standing at the location A and looking at an object B, then line AB is called line of the vision. Then number 2, angle of elevation. If an observer at A and observes the point B, which is at a level higher than A and AM is the horizontal line, then angle BAM is called angle of elevation. Now see in this figure, here the observer is standing at point A and observing point B. But if observer looks straight line, this is called horizontal line AM. Now point B is at higher level than observer, that's why observer is looking at B, and then this line of vision AB making angle with line AM, then this angle is called angle of elevation. Then angle of depression. If an observer at A and observes point C, which is at a level lower than A and AM is the horizontal line, then angle MAC is called angle of depression. See, observer is at A, line AM is horizontal line and point C is at lower level than A. That's why when observer looks at point C, then this AC is line of vision. This line of vision AC making angle with line AM, and this angle is called angle of depression. So when observer looks up, that time there is angle of elevation with horizontal line, and when observer looks down, that time there is angle of depression with horizontal line. Now example number 1. An observer at a distance of 10 meter from a tree looks at the top of the tree. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. What is the height of the tree? Root 3 equal to 1.73. First we will draw figure here. Suppose AB with the height of the tree. Now tree is perpendicular to the ground. This BC is ground level. Now AB is perpendicular to BC, so this angle is 90 degree. An observer is standing at C. This observer looking at top of the tree. That time there is angle of elevation 60 degree. Distance between tree and the observer is 10 meter. Then we have to find height of the tree AB here. Now solution. In figure AB with the height of the tree, BC 10 meter distance of the observer from the tree, then angle of elevation is theta, that is angle BCA is 60 degree. Then from the figure tan theta, we know definition, tangent or tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of angle theta equal to, now opposite side of this theta is AB and adjacent side is BC, so tan theta equal to AB upon BC, Q number 1. Now theta is given 60 degree, therefore tan 60 from the table is root 3, give it number 2. Now tan theta equal to AB upon BC, but if we put theta equal to 60, then tan 60 is root 3, therefore from 1 and 2 AB upon BC is equal to root 3 here. Then AB is equal to, shift BC to right hand side, we will get AB is equal to root 3 into BC. Now BC is 10, it is given, so equal to root 3 into 10, but value of root 3 is 1.73. 1.73 into 10 is equal to 17.3. Therefore height of the tree is 17.3 meter. Solve this example in your maths 2 notebook.